Hello, you're watching NewsX with me, Riya Dwivedi. Now, the top story of the hour is the Supreme Court has made public the report, including 3 pictures and a video into the alleged finding of a cash stash at the house of the Justice Yashwant Verma, the sitting judge of the Delhi High Court. The unprecedented move by the top court came after Chief Justice Sanjiv Khanna constituted an in-house committee to conduct an inquiry and asked the Delhi High Court Chief Justice D.K. Upadhyay not to assign any judicial work to Justice Verma, who is at the center of a controversy after unaccounted cash was found at his bungalow in the city during a firefighting operation on the night of Holi, March 14. The pictures and the video, which were part of the 25-page report uploaded on the Supreme Court website, show the semi-burnt cash that was allegedly discovered in the storeroom at Justice Verma's bungalow. Meanwhile, Justice Yashwant Verma strongly refuted allegations that a huge pile of cash was found at his bungalow. Let's take you through what he had to say about the video, viewers. Let's take exactly what were the response of Justice Yashwant Verma in response to the allegations and the videos that have been coming up, and the questions that have been posed by CJI himself in terms of that, the Justice Verma's response to Supreme Court. The question number 1 of CJI was, how does he account for the presence of money and cash in the room located in his premises? And the response to that was, as already stated, I was never aware of any money or cash lying in the outhouse storeroom. That is his response, and he has labeled this as an outhouse, and he has denied all of the allegations of any presence of money. And he has also added that neither I nor any of my family members have had any knowledge of cash, nor does it have any bearing or relation with me or my family. So that's what he has stated. He has said that there's no relation at all or his family bearing on any account of money being found in his premises. And no such cash or currency was shown to my family members or staff who were present on that fateful night. So he has said that the money that was discovered in that video that we have seen, that they were not shown that that pile of money that can be seen in the video. In light of, and when we're talking about the question number 2, explain the source of money cash which was found in the said room. The response to that is, in light of my response above, the question of explaining the source of the currency does not arise. He has earlier also explained in the clearly in the earlier query that they have no relations at all to the money that was in the question that is being posed. And when we're talking about question number 3 of CJI, who is the person who had removed the burnt money or cash from the room in the morning of March 15, 2025, he replied, I also strongly deny and outrightly reject the insinuation, if at all, that were removed, if made that they were removed currency from the storeroom. So he has denied any kind of allegations, has refuted all of these allegations altogether. And then when we're talking about that, he added more on those. He stated, as stated above, we were neither shown nor handed over any sacks of burnt currency. So he has refuted any claims. He has said that they were not handed any sack of money, any burnt sack of money. He also added, in fact, and as stated above, the limited debris which was sought to be salvaged continues to exist in one part of the residence. So the other debris that can be seen is still present in his residence. And he has added, as stated above, I along with my wife returned from Bhopal on Indigo flight number 6E2303 only on the evening of 15th March 2025. So he has added that his alibi is that he was in Bhopal with his wife, and he continues that therefore the question of its alleged removal is not known to us. They were not present in their house, they were in Bhopal. So that's what he has added. And in any event, none of my staff removed any article, currency or cash in any form. So that is what he has stated, that when we are talking about the alleged this video that we have seen, he has responded to the questions that were posed by CGI. He has stated and refuted all of the claims altogether, where he has replied that he or his family members did not see any of the pile of cash that can be seen in the video. We have with us my colleague Mehndi Garg outside High Court, joining us on the telecast. Mehndi, we've seen that all of these claims are refuted by Justice Yashwant Verma, and also that he has been removed from all the